What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica Denise, and I'm back with another video. So you know, it's Halloween time, it's spooky season or whatever, so your girl is trying to channel the female version of Chucky. You know, I'm the sexy Chucky or whatever. You don't need a lot of things to be a DIY Chucky, but basically I'm just gonna show you how to get this makeup, and I'm gonna show y'all my outfit or whatever. So I'm just getting a close-up right now. I did use scarring liquid, so you can see that my scars are like sunken in. You can really see on this one. This wig, I will do a review on it or whatever, and I'll show y'all how I style it. That will be in a separate video. But make sure, if you're new here, that you subscribe down below. Make sure you hit the notification bell to actually get notified when I post a new video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me, and yeah. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna hop right into the tutorial. I'm basically just gonna do my makeup how I usually do, for the base anyways, and then I'm gonna do some cute eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna go in with the special effects makeup. So I usually start off with my eyebrows, so that's what we're gonna do today. Chucky's eyebrows are like the same color as his hair, so I'm gonna try to recreate my eyebrows looking like kind of something like this orangey color. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna be using the Jack and Hill palette. I think I actually am gonna use this one. So this is what an orange eyebrows are looking like so far. So basically, these are too fucking orange for me, so I'm gonna go in and darken them up. Just probably like the tail end. So I usually do my eyeshadow first, but I totally fucking forgot. So we're just gonna do a glam Chucky eye, and hopefully we don't have any fallout or anything. Still using the staple, Jack and Hill palette. I'm gonna use these colors as like transition, and then probably this as a transition too. This on the lid and to darken the crease. okay? So right now I was just working in the transition colors into my crease, and then I'm using this like cranberry color and packing it on the lid because it's kind of like the color of like, I don't know, dried blood or something. And then I'm just going in and blending out the edges into the crease. And I'm just picking up more transition color. Now I'm taking like the little pencil end of it, of the brush, and putting the cranberry color directly into my crease. Now I'm going in with black with the same pencil brush and just going in to the outer V to darken it all up, and I'm going to blend that out. Now here's a picture of Chucky that I'm going to be using to try to like draw on my face, and I'm just using this red, it's actually a lip pencil, I'm pretty sure, and it's like, I don't know what brand this is. And I made a mistake earlier, and all I did was use my beauty blender to just basically erase it. Okay, now I'm taking my scarring liquid. I think the real name for it is rigid collodion or collodion, and basically when you put it on, it like tightens your skin. And you can just keep putting on more layers and more layers until it gets deep, as in like you have a real cut. So this is just one layer that you see me putting on, but I actually did like, I don't even know, 15 layers, maybe 10. Also, it will probably work better if you don't put it on top of your foundation. Just a key factor for you guys, because I learned. I'm just brightening up the cuts right now. And now I'm just taking my setting powder and taking the shine away so it looks more realistic instead of like plastic or something on my face. Now I'm going in with a brown eyeshadow, I believe, right in the middle of the cut to make it darker, to have more depth. And then that was just kind of like a transition. Now I'm going in with black to make it even more darker and look deeper. Now we're moving on to the eye. I didn't want to use that scarring liquid that close to my eye because I'm pretty sure you're not even supposed to use it how close that I used it. But I just colored it in with red, that red liner. Then I'm putting white in my waterline to just give me like a doll effect. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild liquid liner. Now I have got some fake blood from the Dollar General for $1, and now I'm just putting that in the cuts to make them look more fresh. Oh, and I also put black on my eye and to make it darker because it was just a little bit too bright red. I also went in with the cranberry color as well. Okay, so Chucky has stitches. He also has staples, but I didn't have any fake staples to use. For the stitches, I just used the black liner, liquid liner, just to make it easy on myself. If you want to make it a little bit more realistic, you could probably cut some thread and stick them on there, you know. Also, you don't want to make them like perfectly aligned because now I'm just finishing off the eye look with that cranberry color and going in with black as well. So to finish off everything, I'm going to be using the long wear Sheer Envy setting spray from Hard Candy, and I'm also going to be using that on a brush to use my highlight from the It's My Ray Ray palette. And I was gonna say I used a lot of highlight, but I always use a lot of highlight. But for this specific reason, you kind of want to look like shiny, as in like plasticky, you know. Okay, y'all, so that's basically the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoy. So make sure y'all subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up. But I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video.